The Quezon City government ordered the temporary closure of several lechon stores in the La Loma area. This comes after some of the pigs tested positive for African swine fever. We now have on the phone Attorney Carlo Austria of the Quezon City Legal Department. Good afternoon, Attorney Austria.
Good afternoon po, ma'am.
All right, how many lechon stores were ordered closed and until when will this take effect? Because there are concerns now that this will affect supply during the Christmas season.
I understand, ma'am. Currently, 14 establishments po yung inissuean ng closure order po ng ating Business Permits and Licensing Department. And yung closure will remain in effect until masatisfy po yung city and national government na free and clear na of any ASF yung establishments po nila. That being said, yung local na pamahalaan po ay tumutulong po directly with establishments para mapabilis po yung kanilang compliance po, ma'am.
Right. Would you know how the pigs contracted ASF and how widespread is the infection?
Yes, ma'am. Yung buong stretch po dun sa La Loma kung saan po bumibili po yung ating mga kababayan ng lechon, pinasara po natin lahat. Dun sa routine inspection po natin ginawa, na-discover po na 4 out of the 12 pigs were positive for ASF. So, pina-clear po lahat as a matter of precaution in accordance with prevailing rules po natin. Hindi po natin sure talaga kung paano na-acquire yung ASF. Ang current prevailing theory is baka nga po yung area po mismo is unsanitary at doon po na-acquire yung virus po.
Okay, this could be a big blow to the lechon industry in La Loma. Any assistance to those businesses that may be affected? Any assistance from the Quezon City government?
Yes po, we understand that. Kaya nga po directly na tumutulong po yung local government para ma-ensure po that they can get back to operating as soon as possible. As of right now, our health department, our sanitation team is on the ground to assist the establishments para masanitize po yung area so that the establishments can get back on their feet as soon as possible. As to the lechoneros themselves na hindi po nakakapagtrabaho, meron pong current programs po ang local government na pwede po sila makahingi po ng financial assistance or maybe small business benefits habang hindi po sila makatakbo.
Finally, Attorney, let's remind the public, ASF is not passed on from pigs to humans. Ano po? But what is your advice for lechon customers as you continue efforts to prevent the spread of this disease?
Thank you po. Tama po, ma'am. Ang ASF hindi po natatransmit sa mga tao at so far wala naman pong findings na it will cause any harm to people. Pero we encourage lahat po yung mga mamamayan natin to ensure po na yung bibilin po nilang products ay meron pong National Meat Inspection Service seal of safety na accredited po yung kanilang mga pinagbibilan po.
Thank you so much for your time today, Attorney Carlo Austria from the Quezon City Legal Department.